Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Drop Stop, the original patented car seat gap filler, as seen on Shark Tank, between seats console organizer, set of 2 and slide free pad and light. Drop Stop provides 100% gap coverage in front of, surrounding and behind seat belt catch. Drop Stop attaches to the seat belt catch via built-in slot, moves with the seat and no need to readjust or reinstall. As seen on Shark Tank, Drop Stop blocks that annoying yet ever so dangerous gap between your car or truck seat and center console. Drop Stop is the original and patented seat gap filler. Drop Stop will never fall apart and lasts a lifetime. Each package comes with 2 drop stops, one for the driver side and one for the passenger side, universal fit. You also get 2 bonus gifts, a slide-free pad and an LED credit card light. One size fits most vehicles. High-grade neoprene casing allows Drop Stop to contract or expand to whatever size gap you have. One color blends all. The gap is always a dark shadow, so once you install Drop Stop, you won't know it's there until it stops the drop. Thanks for watching and subscribe.